first time I'm seeing sunrise. So 1 year.
Didn't wanna start this fight, yeah, no, we've been down this path before. If it's black or if it's white, doesn't seem to matter anymore.
And it's close because it's Saturday.
Yeah, you moving on, I guess I get it. But what you did wrong,
So it's
I won't forget it.
well.
Said I want you all my life, but I don't know what I'm lying for. Cause every time you're around, I wanna run. But instead I get close to you, close to you. You're not the only one.
This is what it's like in Aizawl when it rains. Woo! Go, go, go. Ninja! It's exciting. Take over. Today Sheila is giving us a party. Whew.
Yeah, first let me take my... Okay, take out 2000. No, first I have to take my bullets.
What?
There must be some kind of mistake, man.
You must be. Seriously?
You know, I'm just joking, man.
Fear.
I told you Alpha was real.
Uh, 5 o'clock, 4:45 in the morning. NANI? And we are delivering newspaper with Sheila. So right now we are at Duklang Road. Actually we were planning to have a morning walk, but got cancelled. Now he is here. You mad, bro?
We're distributing newspaper Bangla ini. And we're gonna move. Is this on?
Where's next? Still 6. We'll be walking for like 7:30. Second stop.
Yeah, you moving on, I guess I get it. But what you did wrong, I won't forget it. At each other every day, but you know we make up in and drive. Cause every time
This is
you're
my
around, I wanna run.
Kalau itu yang